Hey y'all, it's Kirby from Goodfair, and today I'm going to be showing you how to do the Furoshiki Japanese gift wrap method and also how to tie a square knot. You have your knot, you can tell that this tail is coming through on the bottom of the knot and this one's on the top. So what we're gonna do is leave the bottom one completely still and only move the top one. I'm gonna hold my bottom knot like this so that it doesn't move, and the only one I'm gonna be moving is this top one. So I take the top piece and I loop it around the bottom. See, I'm just holding the bottom down straight like this, and this one comes through and loops around, and you pull it like this, and it just makes a really lovely square knot.